Page 492, number 15. This section, 6.4, also gave us methods to move back and forth between polar coordinates and rectangular coordinates. So that's what we're going to do for the next two examples. So the first one, number 15, we are asked to use an algebraic method to find the rectangular coordinates of 1.5, 7 pi over 3. So we want to use the equations to find x and y. So we were given that x equals r times the cosine of theta. So x is going to equal 1.5 times the cosine of 7 pi over 3. So that is going to be x equals 1.5 times the cosine of 7 pi over 3 ends up being 1/2. So x is going to equal 1.5 times 0.5, which is 0.75, or you can write that as 3/4, either one. And then to find y, the conversion is y equals r sine theta. So we're going to do pretty much the same thing we did with the cosine. And we're going to take sine of 7 pi over 3, which is going to give us y equals 1.5 times the square root of 3 over 2. And when we simplify that, we get y equals 3 times the square root of 3 over 4. And if you're doing that as an approximate answer, is about 1.3. So our coordinates, the exact coordinates, are 3/4, 3 times the square root of 3 over 4.